Hello, my name is Drew Watkins and I want to welcome you to this week's PISD 2-minute drill. Much to celebrate and announce this week. Our kids just continue to be amazing and successful in all that they're doing, all the extracurriculars. Wrestling kids advanced to state, placed at state, did an outstanding job. Track, their season's underway. They're already knocking it out of the park. Baseball, softball. Baseball's on a 10-game winning streak as they take on the next round and they get ready for district play. Softball starts district play this week. Golf and tennis, can't tell by the weather whether their seasons are underway. This isn't ideal for any of those outside sports. Our ENO students are being recognized and honored and winning awards. So are our ENN students and all of our broadcast-related students. Anytime you see stuff pushed out by PHS or PISD, that's really, so much of that's coming from students and they're getting recognized for all their hard work. So we can't brag on them enough for all that they're doing. A few events coming up. This is the week for elementary open houses. That's the latter part of this week. That's always well attended. Good news is it shouldn't be 15 degrees. Later this week it should be in the 60s hopefully. The weather should be nice. And it's also book fair week. That's always a great time to get some books for your kiddos during the elementary open houses. And I want to remind everybody and keep reminding everybody that April 4th is the deadline to register to vote. We got some important elections coming up, so please make sure that you register to vote so you can be a part of the process moving forward. And then finally, yes, Project Graduation. I want to talk to you real quick about Project Graduation. That's put on by parents, and it's an after graduation event that hopefully it gets the graduating seniors to this all-night event. It's sort of like a lock-in, and it's based on creating a drug and alcohol-free environment for them to celebrate their graduation and all their years of dedication as a student at PHS and Prosper ISD. And like I said, it's put on by parents. If you have an interest, it's a 501c3 donation. If you have an interest in being a part of that and making that as amazing as you would want it for the seniors, feel free to go to prosperprojectgraduation.com to consider any donation you want to make to that. Like I said, a worthy cause and tax deductible at the same time. And finally, man, I tell you what, we have some families that are just getting bombarded with bad news over the last few weeks. And I just ask that we all just, you know, when one of us hurts, we all hurt. And that we need to wrap them up in our thoughts and prayers and support them during these difficult times, because like I said, when it hits one of us, it hits our entire community and we all feel it. So look out for them. Enjoy your spring break. Hopefully it's good weather. Spend time with those that you care about and love, and remember to continue to soar the pride of an eagle. We are Prosper.